Hey guys, I'm showing you this dish drying rack for the kitchen counter. It's a large two-tier dish rack with a drain board, rust-proof metal dish, drainers with a detachable cup holder, cutlery holder, cutting board holder. So as you can see, the box have all these accessories and the stuff. So I will just take it out first and then show you all the things. So as I mentioned, this is the rust-proof metal. So this is nice as a dish cleaner thing. This is the manual, you know how to assemble, what parts and everything. Straightforward thing. These have the screws and everything supplied, all the tools. So this one is for the cutlery. You can just hook it like this, or you can put the knife on the top and the cutlery on the side. These are the two side holders, that you can just put it later on. So this is the drying rack that can move 360-degree and the water can be out from any angle. So that's a nice design that this water rack will collect all the water and you can drain it in the direction you want. So two metal hooks that goes on the side. So with this screws and this supplied tools, you can actually just tight it the two these ones and then on the top of the rack. So once these both are done, you have to put this top rack. So screw this as well. Once this is all screwed, just make sure it is tight and is not going anywhere, and then you are done. So you can put it on this plastic dish rack and then the side ones, for the glasses or anything. And yeah. So you can put in the dish drying rack and then you put this side holders. So you can choose to put it here and then this on the back. So this is one of the glasses, this for the cutlery, and the whole set is done. You can also choose to put it down there. So like wherever you want to put. So cutlery can be here, and this is the whole design now. So the glasses can come on this one and then the side for the cutting board and things, then the cutlery, and you can put it anywhere you want. Yeah.